Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Meraki hair growth oil, and I'll be reviewing it, details. I've been using it for 2 years and I'm going to tell you all about it, of how it helped my hair, or the benefits I got out of it, or what it didn't do for my hair. Stay tuned. Yeah, so Meraki hair growth oil has 37 ingredients in it. She made it in her home, and now it has this beautiful label. So when I first ordered it, it didn't have a label. Now it does. She had a great story behind it. Down below, I'll put her Instagram and the link where you can purchase this product. Some of the ingredients you really don't need. It's like unnecessary, you know. I have used this product for 2 years off and on. This is my third bottle. As you see, I only used, let's see, about like that much. And Meraki hair growth oil, I mean, I saw a difference in my hair. I do like how it smells. It did make my hair really thick, like super thick. You know, but I do not use a flat iron. I don't use a pressing comb, a curling iron. I just don't use no heat in my hair. You know, if I want a straight hairstyle, boom, I'll just get a straight weave, you know. But I'm a curly girl, so I'm just trying to grow it out as much as I can and get all the length and value that I could get out of it. I do like this product because she is African American. This is a Black owned product. It's very expensive items that she did decide to put in here, you know what I mean? The ingredients, if you decide to make this, it would be like really expensive. So I was trying to figure out, like, why is this like kind of pricey? You know, she does have promotions here and there. So let me go to how to use it and how did I start using it. So I wanted to stop wearing weaves, and I was like, I need to go natural. So I decided to Google like what products are people are giving thumbs up to and everything like that. And I found this. That's how I found it. On Instagram, YouTube, people talking about, you know, and it showed before and after pictures. And I was like, oh, this is another fake thing. But all the ingredients she uses are all organic. So that's one great thing I like. No sulfur, no mineral oils, no chemicals. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. But I mean, I do like that. I do like that you get a big amount. I like that she put it in a dark bottle because they say the oil is better in a darker bottle. Now she did put on here, apply 1 or 2 times, you know, daily or when you do a wash. I decided just to put it on there like once a month. I kind of do that, and I do a really good massage with my fingertips, and I have a vibrating brush that I use in the shower. I like to apply it on my hair when my hair is wet. I don't apply it directly to the scalp. Sometimes I just pour it on like the middle way and then get it on my hands and then go on my scalp, because I don't want it to set on my scalp and then apply a bunch of like dandruff and stuff. Now, I did recommend this to a couple of my friends. One friend, it worked really great for her. She saw her hair grow double the length. So your hair was supposed to grow like half of an inch. It grew like a whole inch and a half. So it doubled the growth for one of my friends. And then another friend, she actually was saying that she was losing her hair from her scalp. So that's different. So she didn't have much shedding no more, but she was actually losing the follicles from the scalp. She could see the bulb on the hair. So different people have different reaction. I had no allergies to this product. It was a little oily, so I made for sure I put my silk bandana on and my silk scarf and a silk pillowcase, because it is a bit oily and it will damage whatever it touches of clothing. You know, it's hard to wash out. So, hair oil that makes your hair grow. This really makes your hair grow. If you want your hair to grow, you must use this oil. Nobody paid me to say that. I do not know this girl that made this oil, but it did work for me, and I'm really hoping it works for you. That's the whole purpose of me doing these YouTube videos, because I really want young ladies to like stop investing so much money in these synthetic hair and fake hair and ponytails and stuff, and just spend the money on your real hair and get your length that you want. You know what I mean? Get the, you know, waist length, shoulder length, whatever. Get your hair long, and it's possible, and you can do it. So I've been using this for the past 2 years. I am seeing results. On top of, you know, I drink Avion water. Water is really, 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 really highly important if you want hair growth. This has so many different oils in it, you guys. I mean, it has soy beans, avocado oil, coconut oil, virginal oil, grape oil, flaxseed oil, sunflower oil. Every oil you can think about is in this bottle. It has a great smell. It has like a tea tree oil too. You could really smell that. You don't have to apply a lot. A little bit goes a long ways. So you squeeze this right here and then it comes out. You know. And this is really only good for your hair. I want to apply it to my skin or anything like that. I'll put the link down below for you guys to purchase it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up, you guys. I'm just out there trying to help you guys grow your long hair. I want you to have long, beautiful hair, like natural curly hair. No matter how tight the curl is, how long it is, you know, just grow like beautiful hair and show how beautiful you really are. So, I hope you guys keep watching the rest of my videos. I have some more hair videos talking about how to make flaxseed gel. I have hair videos talking about what I did with my placenta. Ew. I have hair videos of using eggs and mayonnaise, good protein, you know, and rice, fermented rice water videos. So please, please look at them. Tell me what you think about them. If you like any of this jewelry that you see in my video, it's all from me. I made it. This one is a unicorn. It's an amethyst. I'm wearing a turquoise ring. It's adjustable. You can purchase those on my website. That's CHABLEE.com, Chablis.com. And I actually have an Instagram for that down below. And if you guys put in the year of 2020, 2020, you guys will all get 50% off because I love you guys. So keep watching my videos and I'll keep having different promotions and giveaways. Thanks. Hey you guys, so subscribe to my channel, push the like button, and please leave comments down below. Because if I don't hear back from you guys, I'm not gonna think that these videos are even working. I wanna know, are you gonna try it? Is it gonna work? Did you try it? Please leave comments down below. No, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to give back a little footage and feedback and review of products that I know that work, that I tried, and I guarantee it will work for you.